Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks for joining me. Today I am doing a special collaboration with my girl Simply K Eats. If you guys aren't aware of her, go ahead and check out her channel. She actually has a few channels on YouTube, so just go ahead and just enter either Simply K or Simply K Simone, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find her. But in this case, we are collabing on her new Cajun seasoning sauce mix. So it is a pre-packaged seasoning mix that you're able to use. It goes great on your seafood. So that's what I am going to try it today as. I'm going to make a seafood butter sauce. So if you guys are digging the idea of this already pre-packaged seasoning mix, that's gonna make it so much easier for you guys to do your next seafood boil, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can leave me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so how easy was that? I have got a quick and delicious butter sauce that I can use for all my favorite seafood. The good thing about it was that nice pack that it came in. It's already ready for your boils and your butter sauces. So I definitely recommend that you go ahead and pick up that Cajun seasoning sauce mix. that you're able to use for your seafood. I'll put the link of her website in the description box below, but it's Simply K Simone. You can go there and find all of her great merch as well as the seasonings. She also has a garlic lemon herb seasoning that is delicious as well. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and jump on this right now. It'd be great for the holidays. You can inject your turkeys with it. I can already see some good holiday dishes being made with this seasoning and sauce mix. So if you guys agree with me and enjoyed this delicious butter sauce, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Share this video out. Appreciate it. And if you guys aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I drop a new video. You guys, please take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.